Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 19th of October 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 19th of October 2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, who among the following has recently been appointed as the new Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? Answer is M.A. Ganpati. What will be India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as predicted by IMF, that is International Monetary Fund? Answer is minus 10.3%. Who among the following has recently become the first Asian cricketer to score 10,000 runs in T20 cricket? Answer is Shoaib Malik. Dash has become the first state in India to make the public education sector completely digital? Answer is Kerala. Next question was, how many beaches in India have been awarded with Blue Flag certificate by FEE recently? Answer is 8. Carlton Champman has recently died at the age of 49. He was associated with which of the following sports? Answer is football. Which of the following day is celebrated as World Students Day? Answer is 15th October. Who has been appointed as the new ambassador of India to the Republic of Indonesia? Answer is Manoj Kumar Bharti. And last question was, what is India's rank in recently released Commitment to Reducing Inequality Index 2020? Answer is 129th. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we will start today's video. Our first question is, which state or union territory has recently launched My Town, My Pride program to deliver government services at doorsteps to the people in urban areas? Answer is option number 3, Jammu Kashmir. Recently, the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu Kashmir, Manoj Sinha, has started the My Town, My Pride program to deliver government services at doorstep to the people in urban areas in Jammu Kashmir. This program will commence from 19th October 2020 as a part of the public outreach initiative in the town of Jammu and Kashmir. Answer will be option number 3. Second question is, which organization has recently launched the State of Climate Services 2020 report? Answer is option number 3, UNWMO, that is United Nations World Meteorological Organization, has recently released this report called State of Climate Services 2020 on the occasion of International Day of Disaster Risk Reduction, which recently has been celebrated on 13th of October 2020. The State of Climate Services 2020 report, Move from Early Warning to Early Action, has been released by United Nations World Meteorological Organization, which is produced by 16 international agencies and financial institutions. In accordance with this report, over the past 50 years, more than 11,000 disasters caused by weather, climate and water-related hazards, resulting in 2 million deaths and nearly $3.6 trillion in economic losses. Answer will be option number 3, UNWMO. What is UNWMO? Long form is United Nations World Meteorological Organization. It is a specialized agency of the United Nations responsible for promoting international cooperation at atmospheric science, climatology, hydrology and geophysics. It was formed on 23rd of March 1950, headquarters in Geneva, which is in Switzerland. Next question, which state has recently launched Mission Shakti? Answer is option number 3, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh state government has recently launched this 6-month-long women empowerment program called Mission Shakti to raise awareness and tackle crime against women in the Uttar Pradesh or in the state. And this 6-month-long campaign will feature awareness campaign related to women's safety. Answer will be option number 3, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, look at the map. This is Uttar Pradesh. Capital is Lucknow. Governor is Anandibén Patel. Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath. Uttar Pradesh is the 4th state by area in India and first according to population in India. It borders with Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Jharkhand and Nepal, and Ganga, Yamuna, Betwa, Ken, Chambal, Ghagra, Gomiti, Son are the main rivers of Uttar Pradesh. Next question, which of the following day is celebrated as World Food Day? Answer is option number 3, 16th October. Every year, 16th October is celebrated as World Food Day. It is celebrated to tackle global hunger and strive to eradicate hunger across the world. And theme for 2020's World Food Day was Grow, Nourish, Sustain Together. Our actions are our future. Next question. PM Narendra Modi has released a commemorative coin of rupees 75 to mark the 75th anniversary of dash. Answer is option number 2, World Food and Agriculture Organization. World Food and Agriculture Organization is a specialized agency of the United Nations that leads international efforts to defeat hunger and improve nutrition and food security. It was formed on 16th of October 1945. Headquarters is in Rome, which is in Italy, and recently Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi has released a commemorative coin of rupees 75 to mark the 75th anniversary of the Food and Agriculture Organization. Answer will be option number 2. Next, Akkitam Achyutan Nambudiri has died at the age of 94 recently. He was an eminent poet of which language? Answer is option number 2, Malayalam. Look into the image. This was Akkitam Achyutan Nambudiri. He was a eminent Malayalam poet and recently he has died at the age of 94. Also, he has been awarded with 55th Jnanpith Award recently, and he was also awarded with Padma Shri and Sahitya Akademi Award by Government of India. Next question. Who has been re-elected as the President of Tajikistan recently? Answer is option number 1, Emomali Rahmon. Look into the image. This is Emomali Rahmon, and recently he has been re-elected with 90% of the votes in the Nation Voice poll recently. Answer will be option number 1. Tajikistan, look at the map. This is Tajikistan. Capital is Dushanbe. President is Emomali Rahmon, and currency of Tajikistan is Somani. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as International Day of Rural Women? Answer is option number 2, 15th October. Every year, 15th October is celebrated as International Day of Rural Women. It is celebrated to recognize the critical role and contribution of rural women, including indigenous women, in enhancing agriculture and rural development, improving food security, and eradicating rural poverty. Answer will be option number 2. Next question. Bhanu Athaiya has recently died at the age of 94. She was dash. Answer is option number 2, costume designer. Look at the image. This was Bhanu Athaiya, and recently she has died at the age of 94. She was an Indian costume designer and she has worked in over 100 Indian films. Also, she has won an Oscar award for her work in 1983 epic film called Gandhi. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as International Day of the Eradication of Poverty? Answer is option number 4, 17th October. Every year, 17th October is celebrated as International Day of the Eradication of Poverty. It is celebrated to raise awareness about the people who are struggling with poverty, and theme for 2020's International Day of the Eradication of Poverty was acting together to achieve social and environmental justice for all. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, Dinesh Kumar Khara is the new chairman of dash. Answer is option number 4, SBI. Recently, from 7th of October 2020, Dinesh Kumar Khara has become the new chairman of State Bank of India. Now, today's question is, who has become the first Indian woman to win Yuddha Seva medal recently? Options are Minty Agrawal, Saida Anwara Taim, Niti David, and none of these. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video.